How are you guys doing today? I got a little bit of a problem. Let me show you. Check out the bottom edge of this blade. So we're getting kind of wore down there. Let me flip it over. So the cutting edge is getting really thin. Some of you know, if you saw the videos, I was dealing with a blizzard last week. Did a ton of plowing. My edge on the blade is now wore out. I knew it was wore out going into the blizzard, but kind of needed to use it, so that's what I did. So the problem is I got another snowstorm that's starting right now. You might be able to see some of the flakes. I have another cutting edge on order, but it's not here yet, so I need to make something quick to replace that. All right, so here's what I'm thinking. I normally have my tractor parked here on this horse stall mat. I'm thinking I'm going to cut a sliver of this off and use it as a rubber edge on there. Now there's not a real plan here. I'm making it up as I go. So my plan is I'm going to take off this existing cutting edge on here. I do have new hardware that's longer, so we'll use the longer bolts. And I'm going to basically sandwich this piece of stall mat in between the blade and the existing cutting edge. That'll at least get me by for the next couple storms that are expected to hit this week. You can see how these bolts and nuts are wore halfway off of here. Telling you, that last storm, there was a lot of plowing going on. Alright. Jeez. Here's what we got left. Well, so there you have it. That's what we ended up with. I might have it a little off center here in the middle. That was not on purpose. It's kind of on accident. But like I said, I got another cutting edge that's supposed to be here later in the week. I just needed something to get me by for now. So if you're ever in a situation where you need to replace your cutting edge quickly and you don't have an option to buy something, you can be resourceful. Make something out of what you already have. Some people like the rubber edges anyhow because it'll clean your driveway more thoroughly if you have a concrete driveway, or even asphalt. I haven't personally used this before. I don't expect it to last long because of the amount of plowing I do. It'll probably wear out very quickly, but this is going to get me by for what I needed. I'll catch you later. I'm sure we got some more snow videos coming this week. See ya.